This is Philly in Philippines. Hello, Philly in Philippines. It's my life, Philippines.
How are you doing?
Yeah. First time you see me.
Yeah, well, you never put your face on camera.
But you know, I am your subscriber maybe 5 years already.
Okay, all right.
I watch you before, when I stay in Pampanga Street.
Yeah, all right.
You also watch, take video.
Yeah,
but you use now Pocket 2, yes?
Yeah, it does a decent job at night, but it's still going to get it not suitable for advertising. You get them? So do I.
I forgot Pocket 2 in home because I think maybe rain. That's why I use Action 3.
Right.
But Action 3 camera nighttime not so good quality.
So good. This is the best one.
It's more best, yeah.
Yeah. But yeah, well, you get the not suitable for. You get the not suitable for most. Do you request a review? Still denied?
Yeah.
It's like 50-50.
Yeah. No, I will try.
Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't.
Yeah.
But you can walk the same street during the day. It's okay.
Okay.
It's okay, right?
Okay, happy Halloween.
All right, buddy. Good talking with you. I thought your girl would be out.
I already walked before.
Your girlfriend?
No, my wife in home now. She in work now. Maybe later.
She at work.
Maybe later she go to. Maybe come here.
Yeah. Okay.
Maybe later.
Right. All right.
Right.
Josh, you got it, Joe?